Buick Regal, and if you're having problems with the mass airflow sensor, you can find that sensor located right here. It has a small white part on the clip that plugs into it, but it is this whole 3-layer contraption that connects to the airbox. So if you're having problems with your mass airflow sensor and you're needing to locate it, it is located right here. And it measures how much air and the temperature is going actually into the engine. If you are having an issue and you are looking to fix it, you don't want to replace the sensor, you can always clean it. A lot of times that does help. There's some mass airflow sensor cleaner that you can use. Brake clean also can help, but it could cause damage to the mass airflow sensor, so it's better to use one that's actually branded a mass airflow sensor cleaner. You can find it at any auto repair place where you can buy oil and things like that. So I just want to give you an idea where that is. So it's located right here, pretty easy spot, and just one clip that holds it on, and then 2 little clamps that hold it to the intake. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.